Dom here from Essential RC with the ZOHD Altus. ZOHD have come out with loads of FPV planes over the last few years, and I have to say, of all those planes, this is by far the easiest to put together. So if you're looking to get into FPV, this could be your thing. It arrives in the box with all the major components all packaged up in bubble wrap, and literally it just clips together, no glue needed. The motors are installed, all the servos are installed and already linked up to the control surfaces. And the thing to say about this, it is designed for FPV and to put a flight controller in this. I haven't done that this time, but to keep it simple, but you've got the GPS you can hide in here. They've thought about that, and then there are compartments underneath to put all your other gear like airspeed sensor and all those types of things. They even give you lots of different options for putting action cameras in, so you'll see this comes off the front like that, and you've got different inserts you can put in there for different action cameras, GoPro or whatever you'd like to, or different FPV systems. I'm using Walksnail, Caddx Walksnail, and I'm just powering that off the balance tap on the flight battery, which is a 4S 4000. And you need, if you're not putting an action camera in the front, then you do need quite a heavy battery to get the center of gravity. Showing you in the back as well. So I am using my Radio Master TX16S with the ERS module, and I'm using a Radio Master ER8, which, again, I say this on most videos, is that great value transmitter in the first place, a couple of $100 for this, and it'll do everything you'll ever need throughout a lifetime of flying RC planes, helicopters or anything else. But then the new ELRS receivers are great value. These are only about $30 for 8 channels, and actually if you connect them directly into a flight controller, you get a lot more channels. You get something like 14, 16 channels, which is brilliant. So all set up, really easy to set up on the radio. Let's give it a first flight and see how it goes. Yeah. Yep. Here we go. Thank you. Easy hand launch.
Yeah, do you know something? I didn't actually have to. I didn't have to do anything with that.
It's pulled out of your hand.
Yeah.
Cool. And I have to say, doesn't really need any trimming.
Oh wow.
So the thing you want with an FPV machine, FPV aeroplane, is for it to be nice and stable, because it's carrying quite a lot of weight, it's carrying all your FPV gear. You don't really want to be focused on the flying, you just want it to be nice and stable, not particularly aerobatic. So let's explore what it can do. It's pretty quick. Right, one more slow pass.
bring it in for a landing. Oh, easy to land.
Nice.
There we go, ZOHD Altus. The link for this is in the video description and the pinned comment. You won't find an FPV design plane that is that easy to put, that's any easier than this to put together. Literally takes minutes. Really, really like it, and it's got all the space you need for your digital or your analog FPV gear. Thanks for watching this. Thanks to Trev on camera. We'll be back soon on Essential RC. Take care, bye.